I'm just videoing for you the White XY GT Replica in our showroom. Beautiful ultra-white paint, fully New South Wales registered car. He's done a beautiful job on the body and paint. Show you inside the engine bay. Okay, 351 Cleveland, 2V motor, and it's all been basically brand new, everything on this car. Car is a 1270 Falcon. Mechanically, this is very, very good. All been redone, full roadworthy, Bathurst globes, and then inside you've got pretty much basic GT look. The only thing different is the seat belts. As you can see, it's got an inertia reel setup like that. But yeah, she idles beautifully. All nice dash, crash pad, steering wheel, top loader gearbox, 9-inch diff, hood lining's good. Everything's brand new actually. Now around to the back. Other side. The paint and panel is immaculate on this car. Really superb condition. There you go. Hopefully that's what you needed.